Hello everyone, my name is DHANYASHRI from first year ISC. Startup company name is FIMAC. Product present name Ring. Product proposed name Smart Controller. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. Accident prediction, health monitoring, affordable for all. Defined based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name Ring, futuristic product name Smart Controller. Ideate, some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Control lights, fans and other electronic devices. Display screen on air or wall. Charge on solar energy. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.